Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you a movie buff who practically lives at the AMC theater? Or do you dream of earning rewards for every popcorn and ticket purchase? Well then the AMC Visa card might be your perfect match. In this video, we'll guide you through the application process step by step, so get ready to turn your movie nights into reward nights. But before we dive into applying, let's see what makes the AMC Visa card so special. So, every dollar spent using the card translates to points you can redeem for free movies, upgrades, and concessions. And as you spend more, you can unlock higher tiers with increased points, earnings, and exclusive benefits. Also, you can get access to special discounts, early screenings, and even a birthday reward on your special day. Furthermore, you can use your points whenever you want, no blackout dates to restrict your movie magic. Plus, all the regular Visa benefits like you can use the card anywhere Visa is accepted. So, now that you're pumped about the perks, let's get you applying for the card. Here's what you'll need to do. So firstly, go to your preferred web browser and search for AMC Visa card application. And now, click on this link. Once you're in the website, learn more about the card features, reward programs, and tier system. See if it aligns with your movie-going habits. And once you're convinced, click on the Apply Now button and you'll be redirected to another page to start the process. Here, again, click on the Apply Now button. Now, the application form will ask for your personal details like employment information and income. Fill it out accurately and honestly. And while submitting, double check everything for accuracy and then submit your application. AMC and their partner banks will review your application and inform you of their decision within a few business days. In some cases, they may require further information from you. So that's all you need to know about applying for the AMC Visa card. Now you can turn your movie nights into reward night. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on credit cards, movie hacks, and more.